Hi, my name is Kevin DeLallo. I'm an employee at InterDigital, and I'm an active developer on the AdvantEDGE platform, which we're presenting here at the OpenEdge computing workshop. So I'll dive into the demo. We're actually showcasing using the OpenArtist application, which is a live video stylization application. It takes some live video feed that comes from two of our devices here, Android phones. Oh, you got it. And it sends the video to an Edge service running, the OpenArtist service, running in our emulated environment. Our platform runs on a set of Kubernetes nodes. We have two laptops representing these Kubernetes nodes. Each of them runs a set of microservices, which is the AdvantEDGE platform. And we are able to deploy a emulated network topology where we have configured the OpenArtist services to run, as well as the external clients. And what we can do is we take these external clients, connect to the platform via some emulated points of access. They then communicate with the Edge service, and the video is sent back using applying a different artist style. In this case, the mosaic style. Now, these Edge services are also connected to a location service. This is our platform implementation of the Etsy Mech location service. And the Edge applications also use GPUs, which we have one GPU running on each of these nodes. And our platform will make sure that the applications that are scheduled get pushed onto onto one of these, each of them onto one of the nodes. So what we can do with our platform is we deploy this scenario. It creates loads the container images, and will start the applications. So the clients, like I said, are connected into it. And what we can do is inject some events. So I can create a mobility event here, which will take one of these UEs, and I will move it from point of access 1 to a different point of access. And when I do this, the location service will be aware of the movement and will apply a different style to that specific client application that's running external to our platform. So I can do the same thing with the other node. We'll move it to point of access number 4. And you can see that the OpenArtist application is applying a different style, artist style. You might also notice, maybe a bit small here, but we apply some network characteristics or emulate some network characteristics within the AdvantEDGE platform. So right now, and I can also dynamically update these network characteristics. So we have, if we take client 1, for example, has a 30 millisecond latency, and I can inject a higher latency. So I'll go on point of access number 4, where it currently is, and I'll add 100 milliseconds of latency. And you'll notice, I don't know if it's visible in the camera here, but you'll notice that it's much less responsive than it was. And the application can actually see, this is very small, but the frame per second indication over here has dropped down to 4 or 5, whereas the other client on a less latency impacted link is seeing about 17, 18 frames per second. And the round trip time is also shown, showcasing that the one with the higher latency is obviously experiencing a higher round trip time latency. And I can bring that back to 1 millisecond, and you'll see that the frame per second now goes back up from 4 to 12, 13. So let's close this. So this is what our platform can do. We are working on other features, looking for collaborations to get some more feedback on the platform, find some different use cases, promote the Edge, and do more research in